Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Herlambang Kusuma Putra from Management 22A, the psychology of decision making. Why we choose, what we choose. Welcoming to an exploration of the fascinating interaction between psychology and decision making. Our choice, wherever big or small shape or life, and the world around, use every decision made in business life and relationship, stir outcome. In this presentation, we'll uncover the hidden influence that drive our choice, from cognitive bias and emotional impulse to the subtle yet powerful social factor at play. Understanding this psychological environment is the key to the making more informed and effective decision. Cognitive bias, the mental shortcuts that trip us up. Availability heuristic. The availability heuristic is a mental shortcut that relies on immediate example that come to a person as mind when evaluating a specific topic, concept, method, or decision. Overestimating likelihood of even really available. Example: fear of flying, post-plane crash. Anchoring bias. Anchoring bias occurs when people rely too much on pre-existing information or the first information they find when making decision. Over-reliance on the first piece of information received. Example, initial price over set the bar in a negotiation. Confirmation bias. Confirmation bias the tendency to favor information that confirm existing belief or value. Confirmation bias involving pairing information that support previously existing belief. Checking information confirming pre-existing belief. Example, only watching new channels that align with political view. Emotional influence. How? Feeling cloud judgment. Loss aversion. Loss aversion refers to the tendency for people to feel the pain of a loss more than the pleasure of an equivalent gain. It plays a key role in prospective theory. Relocation to sell, losing stock even if fundamental weaken. Framing effect. The framing effect is a cognitive bias where people decide on option based on if the options are presented with positive negative semantic, drawing different conclusions based on how data is presented. 19 fat free versus 10 fat consumer prefer that the former. Impact bias. Impact bias is the tendency to overestimate the intensity and duration of emotional reaction to future event. In other words, we tend to think that future event will have a bigger emotional impact on use can actually do. Overestimating happiness after winning the lottery. Social factor. The influence of other on our choice. Social proof. This idea of social proof, also known as information social influence, is a psychological phenomenon where people assume that action of others reflect correction behavior for a specific situation. Groupthink. Groupthink is a psychological phenomenon that occurs within a group of people in which the desire for harmony or conformity in the group results in an irrational or dysfunctional decision-making outcome. Authority bias. Authority bias is a cognitive bias that causes people to value the opinion of an authority figure even if they are wrong more than their own. Real world application. Case study. Number one is marketing. Using scarcity and urgency to drive sales. Black Friday sales trick. Finance. Impact of overconfidence on investment decision. Overconfidence in stock picking. Hold. How farming affect treatment choice. Sugar frame as neither survival is then morality. Police. The role of emotional appeals in swaying voters. Negative campaign as triggered loose aversion and fear response. Mitigating bias strategy for better decision making. Number one, awareness. The first step in mitigating bias is simple recognizing that there exists understanding different types of bias and how they can affect of our judgment. Critical thinking. Ethical question assume and seek diverse perspective. Don't take information at face value. Analysis it carefully. Data-driven decision. Avoid relying solely on intuition when possible. Use objective data and evidence to inform your choice. Seeking feedback. Solicit input from trusted advisor or mentor. Other people may be able to spot bias that you are blind to. Thank you.